how to download Java programming, how to install the Java programming. If anyone need, please ask in my comment section. I can help. And now I want to show in how the visual code how we can run Java. So at first, whatever you have to do, you have to do a file, open file. Okay, you have to create a file. So I am already created a file. Okay, open file. So where I need in here, okay, so C++, okay, Java program. Java is my, yeah, another is my project. I can take, I can choose my project. Okay, no problem. So okay, so this way I have already created Java program and Java everything. So now I need to open. So whatever I have to click, I have to click ctrl plus shift p. Okay, and when I click it, so you see Java create Java project. Okay, so new build tools and select folder. I need to select folder. So I have already created Java program. So select this projection location and include Java program. I write and just enter. Okay, Java program. Now you see it gives a default sample file. So click on under the src. Okay, click under the src. Okay, you see that app Java. So just click it in here. So app Java, and you see that hello world. So friends, you get the, this is my result of the Java programming. So this is my app is Java. So thanks for watching.